One of the most concerning symptoms during menopause is very simply our abdominal weight gain. I don't think that this is getting enough attention, with the emphasis on various menopause medical treatments and supplements that are focused on our other symptoms. Do you? However, if we don't get on top of the increase in weight, then this may set women up for worsening sleep, hot flushes, joint problems, changing heart health, and a condition called metabolic syndrome in their post-menopause years. I was on that slippery slope myself. My 15 kilos weight gain in my early 50s concerned me. Through my doctoral studies on women's health and aging, I knew that research confirms that cardiovascular disease and metabolic syndrome are the main health conditions for postmenopausal women. The more I learned, the more I knew that I had to not only help myself turn this unhealthy weight around, but to also help women throughout the world understand what to do too. Using the scientific lifestyle evidence specific to menopause weight gain and women's healthy aging, I designed a 12-week program called Transform Me. For the last decade, this step-by-step program has empowered thousands of women across the world to take back control of their weight gain and symptoms naturally using lifestyle solutions. You will love what you learn and love how you feel. I hope that you can join me on my January Transform Me intake, which is on sale for you right now. For the month of January, you save $100, and in addition to the 12-week symptom reduction and weight loss program, you also receive bonus modules on joint, gut, and heart health, emotional eating, and a mindfulness module too. There's also an upgrade option to my 12-week exercise program called Rebuild My Fitness. And don't forget that myself and over 2,000 other women are also here to support you every step of the way in the coaching community. For many, this is the magic of my menopause transformation. After spending years researching and studying healthy aging in women, I realized that no one was taking an integrative approach to menopause, nor looking at it in the context of women's health while they age. My studies proved to me that hot flushes, insomnia, sore joints, palpitations, and menopause weight gain are not normal, and with the right focus on lifestyle solutions, we can thrive during this transition. But your focus has to shift away from what you were doing in the past. You are in a different hormonal environment now. The Transform Me program is your step-by-step roadmap to how to turn around your weight and symptoms in midlife. Thousands of women have now done this program, and some of their stories and testimonials are on the website. I love how so many now feel back in control again with this powerful knowledge. If you've felt frustrated and despondent about your menopause weight gain and you're experiencing increased bloating, hot flushes, mood swings, sore joints, or gut health changes, then my Transform Me Menopause Weight Loss Program is for you. There are 7 modules or webinars that come to you over the course of the 12 weeks, and you can join my private coaching community to ask me questions. In each module are lifestyle solutions, which I've researched to help you sleep all night, stop your joints aching, and restore your liver health, cardiac health, and energy levels, which all help you to lose weight. You will also receive a food guide and fabulous recipes that meet your nutrient needs in menopause and beyond. I'm so excited about this program for you. I've designed it with your busy life in mind. So all you need is 1 hour a week to listen to the module and then start to put the actions into place. It's time to stop feeling exhausted and unhealthy and get ready to feel energized and excited about the future, because we have a lot more living ahead of us. I'm Dr. Wendy Sweet from My Menopause Transformation. I called it this because that's how I felt after I put into place my powerful discoveries. Now your transformation is waiting for you too on the Transform Me Weight Loss Program and on your journey. I can't wait to be your guide.